Hi everyone, Lance from Avalanche Creative here. I am, in as short amount of time as possible, going to show you how we build demand-based websites and how you can too. Okay, what I'm working with right here is a spreadsheet with over 300 keywords for a local landscape design company, okay? So you've got tons and tons and tons of different keywords here, all with local intent, meaning these are people that are looking for a local service provider, and they're in all different kinds of categories. So what we're going to do first is try to group all these keywords. So step one is let's just eliminate, clean things up a little bit. That was an export from SEMrush. Now I've filtered by the groups that come from SEMrush, but that's not exactly how I want to group things on my website. So I'm going to take it a step further and say, hey, these are the service categories that I offer right here. I want to take a look at each one of these keywords and say, let's make these match this service category. And that's going to give us our final spreadsheet of this right here. So what I've gone and done is gone through all these 300 keywords and assigned them into a category. Then what I'm doing is looking at a sitemap like this and comparing each one of our categories. So we have design and architecture, pool and spa, outdoor kitchens, etc. And what I'm going in and doing is making sure that we are going to be creating content on these pages that fulfills the intention of the searcher. So you can see here we've got everything broken up: design and architecture, landscaping, and I'm going to use the example of structures. So we've got porch, gazebo, deck, patio, and you can see in our structures here, this is going to be a page, and on that page we're going to touch on all the different structures that our landscape design business will build. So here they are, and these can eventually be their own pages because we want to make sure, again, that all the intentions of these searchers are fulfilled on this page. Clearly, people look for different structure builders very differently, very specifically. They use near me, they use local. So we just want to make sure that we have content pages on our website that fulfills their intentions. Now, taking it a step further, what we're going to do after we've done that, it's kind of the low funnel stuff where people are ready to buy, they're looking for a service provider, but we want to get the people even before they're ready to buy. So we create a blog with categories that match those services. So you can see here I've got structures, and here's one right here, Gazebos 101. We love doing 101s because it's kind of like a high-level overview of everything there is to know. Now, where do you get content ideas for that? You can use something like Answer the Public for free, put in a keyword like gazebo, and then see what are the questions that people ask related to gazebos. So there's all kinds of great ideas, things that we can talk about in a Gazebos 101 post. That way, once we actually have this site built and somebody looks for, let's get a real keyword here, a local pergola or gazebo builder, right? They're looking for someone nearby that can build that. We're going to have a service page that talks all about the gazebos, and on that page we're also going to show them any blog posts that are tagged under the tagged with gazebos and fit under the structures category. That way it's helpful. It's like, hey, if you want to learn more about gazebos, here's all your frequently asked questions. That's a great experience. Google loves it. The user loves it. This is why you should do very comprehensive keyword research and start to organize all of those keywords into topics, which become pages and blog posts to help the user. So create a website for them, not for you.